Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Gyroscope on Call of Duty Mobile. This powerful feature uses your device's built-in motion sensors to give you incredibly precise aiming control. It allows for quicker adjustments and a more intuitive feel, which can significantly elevate your gameplay. Getting started is straightforward, and we will walk through each step to activate and optimize it for your mobile device. To begin, launch Call of Duty Mobile on your device. Once in the game, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From there, select the Controls tab, which is usually the first option. Scroll down until you find the gyroscope setting. You will see options like off, always on, or on ads. Always on keeps it active constantly, while on ADS only engages it when you aim down sights. Beyond playing, Super Mario Maker 2 also lets you get creative together. In the Course Maker, 2 players can team up to design levels. One player takes on the role of Mario, with full access to all tools and menus. The second player, as Luigi, can assist by placing items and interacting with the environment using a more focused set of tools. This collaborative building mode is perfect for crafting unique challenges with a friend. Mastering Gyroscope takes practice, so spend time in the training grounds or casual matches to build muscle memory. This feature significantly aids in controlling weapon recoil, allowing for more stable shots. With consistent use, you will notice faster reaction times and the ability to snap onto targets with greater precision. Embrace the tilt, and you will gain a competitive edge, making your aiming more fluid and accurate in every battle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.